Anyone have one of these guys? Pretty cool, huh? It's almost like, why not take it everywhere you go? At least every time you go to the range. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about the Easter egg challenge from the day at the range. This is the second challenge of the year. First challenge was the St. Patrick's Day challenge, which I didn't do very good with. I misread the size of the targets, shot the wrong rifle. But, you know, sometime before the end of the year, I'd like to give that another shot with the right rifle. By the way, that was the Garmin 1, I believe it's called. It's a chronograph, and I'll show the chronograph data at the end. Okay, let's talk about this guy. What's our mission? Our mission is, there's 20 eggs. A big fat egg in the center, that's our sighter. And then we have 19 other eggs scattered throughout this field here. There's some hidden eggs that might be a little bit hard to see at 50 yards, especially because of all the dark colors mixed in. So that'll be fun. Also, we've got some wind conditions here. Right now, actually, they're pretty calm, but they're anywhere between 2 and 9 or 10 miles an hour. I am going to try this. I'm going to work from the center out. I think probably the hardest targets are the 3 right there at the 6 o'clock line. So I'm going to, once I get the rifle sighted in, we're going to try to knock those out first, and then I'll work my way around the rest of the target. To some extent, calling my shots. Not every shot, but at least I'll give you an idea where I'm headed, so you can watch them. All right, let's see here. I've got the CZ457 at 1. I already mentioned the chronograph. I'm shooting Lapua Center X. Athlon scope, 10 by 40. And the CZ's got a 24-inch barrel. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, we'll start with the sighters. Okay, wind's going a little crazy right now. We're up to 9 miles an hour. By the way, I've got 10 miles an hour. I've got a crest roll. I think it's 2700. Sitting right next to the camera, basically. So I would like to kind of let this settle down a little bit before I get started. Okay, maybe it's going to settle down. We're around 6 miles an hour right now. So I'm going to, well, actually, the first one's going to be called bore, first couple. I've got 4 rounds in this magazine, then I've got another 10 rounds in each of these. Hopefully, we're going to complete this thing with that many rounds. We'll see. Oh, so I aimed basically the second little tick mark to the right at 3 o'clock, and that's where my round landed. I might need some more ammo. I've got it, so it's not an issue. Okay, I think that was in the same hole. One more sighter. Okay, I'm going to hold off to that big tick to the right. We'll see where we hit there. Oh, I got more rounds. Okay, wind's actually slowed down to about 0. This is going to be fun, huh? Okay. I'm going to go for it. Just so you know, I aimed on the X right there. So like I said, I'm going to start at 6 o'clock. I'm going to start on the bigger egg and work my way up. I've got my cheat sheet here. So there are 3 eggs there right in the center. Funny looking hat or little flower thing or something there. Anyway, let's get going. Okay, not sure if I hit the bigger blue egg towards the left. Hopefully not. I'm going to go ahead and shoot that one now. Oh, you know what? I'm not using all my power. More power, Scotty, more power. Let's take a look here. Oh, it's just so you know, I was about 25 power then. Let's see. Man, it's so close. All right, I'm going for the blue egg at 6 o'clock. Okay, well that I think was good. Okay, I'm going to work my way to the left. Okay, I hit the blue dot on the left, but I aimed dead center on the blue dot towards the right there, just so you can kind of know what the wind's doing to my ammo, or my round, I should say. Okay, I aimed basically on the shadow of the yellow egg. Okay, aimed to basically the right part of the glow in the blue. I'm sure someone's probably asking me, why am I not changing my turrets? Well, because sometimes the wind stops. Actually, right now, the Crestral's at 0, but the range flag's kind of doing a little dance. Anyway, here we go. Oh, I think I missed the yellow egg there, but it looks close. Okay, last blue egg on the left. Okay, I hit it. Now the question I have, and I'll have to probably watch some videos to get it right, or maybe ask Elijah, do I have to hit the egg clean where I can, hit kind of on the line of the egg and not hit any other eggs? I think I can. I think that's okay. I think that still counts. Anyway, I'm going to now go from the 6 o'clock and work my way to the right. All right, because we have that pink egg kind of tucked away, I'm going to use the first two eggs, you know, the bright pink, the blue, and then we'll get to the pink, orange, or whatever color egg that is on top. Okay, I'm going to stick with that, and hopefully hitting the tip of the egg counts. All right, what's next? Looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more eggs. I'll do the teeny egg way to the right last. Let's see what we can do here. Actually, I got 5, 1, 2, 4, I think I got 5 eggs left. Almost missed one. Any of you shoot the ARA and miss a target or even miss a row? I mean, I don't mean to laugh. I've done it, so I guess I'm allowed to laugh. Yeah, frustrating. Okay, here we go. So we're going for that, I guess, orange kind of egg. Oops. Looks like I need some more ammo. Maybe I got my magazines messed up. Oh man, that flag's like... Aye. Oh. Okay, so that, or I thought the wind died down a little more, so I held more to the left. Might have been a mistake. I might have accidentally hit, I think the blue egg, but hopefully not. I mean, it looks like it might be okay. Okay, purple egg. Man, that wind is still blowing that bullet. Oh, well, I see why. It's kind of funny, 3 miles an hour here at the bench, but man, that flag at 50 yards was, it was going. I don't have any flags between here and my card, so I'm relying on just these two here. Okay, orange and blue guy. And by the way, the flags kind of died. That was kind of where I was aiming on that last shot. Okay, with a little luck, the conditions will hold. Oh, no, but I'm going to lose a point there. But I think since I missed a yellow egg, I can give it another try. Wonder if I can just blast 15 rounds into that orange egg till I hit the yellow egg. So I think that's legal. Elijah? Got someone at work confused with who I'm talking to here. And mixed your both names up together. All right, here we go. I'm going to try the yellow egg. Okay, so with a little luck, I'll bring the target. I did get the magazines messed up. I'll get the target, score it. Elijah will be the judge if I score it wrong, and then he'll correct me and we'll make it right. But I'll do my best scoring and go from there. All right. If in fact I get points for hitting an egg halfway, even though that's not clean, but not hitting any other eggs, I think I'm at 17 points. Be careful, anyone else who shoots this card, because it turns out at 6 o'clock, where I thought there was only 3 eggs in this little hat-looking thing, that blue and white thing's a little egg there. So oops. And if you have to hit that clean, I mean, that's a bullseye shot. That is those 2 eggs in the center, those are tough. Anyway, so I hit 1 egg twice, and I missed an egg at a 19 possible. That gives me a 17. Oh, it was a blast. Thanks for doing this. I appreciate all you do, and it's fun watching all the other videos and all the other shooters kind of take a shot at this. I encourage others to do the same. And the final score, don't trust this video, go to thedayattherange.com to take a look what the actual score was. Godspeed.